Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel ZF Learning Tricks. Friend, today's my topic is Happy Teachers Day. This is the poem Thank You Teachers. So friends, let's start it. See the poem Thank You Teacher. Here I write Thank you teachers. Here I write again thank you teachers. Friends, you can see the trick how I write here thank you teacher. It is very helpful for you write the poem. T for thank you for all the H for hours you spent. A for attention V and for need that you lend. K for knowledge you pass on. So friends, thank you is complete and next para is U. U for your special touch. O for offering guidance. U for undaunting by anything. U is complete and next para is teachers. T for time you spend in planning. E for efforts you make. A for age is the learning. C for change you take. H for here's to our teachers. E for each one a gem. R for recognize now we. S for salute them. Again, thank you for all the hour you spend, attention we need that you lend, knowledge you pass on your special touch, offering guidance and daunting by anything, time you spend in planning, effort you make, ages the learning, change you take, here's to our teachers. Each one a gem, recognized now we salute them. Thank you teachers. Today is Happy Teachers Day. I am also a teacher. Happy Teachers Day, all of you. If you like my poem, please do subscribe. Allah Hafiz.